Hi peoples, I'm playing Hello Guest. I wanna be I wanna be him. Yeah, I wanna be him. I'm playing Hello Guest on my Xbox because I wanna play it. So yeah. Cutscene time. This is cutscene, and he has he has a mustache of a cat that just got scared of something. I don't know why it looks like that. Okay. Can I play? I can play? When can I play? It just fell as soon as you put it up. Oh, wait. How do I pick that up? Wait. How did I drop it in the first place? I have no clue. I'm pretty sure I need to learn how to drop stuff in order to... Wait, can I pick that up? No? Okay. I need to learn how to drop stuff. Wait, what? 100... Okay. Okay, that's how you look at the map. How do I drop things, though? Wait. No, okay, that's crouching. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Now that's how you drop things. No, pick it up. Grab it. Oh, bro. Pick it up. Thank you. Now just go. Go over there. Just keep going to where you need to go. I don't know where I need to go. Okay, I'm going to this arrow that it wants me to go to. So I'm going up here. And yeah. I don't know why I keep on doing that. Wait, bro. Okay. Guessing that's my house. Open the door. How do I open it? Okay, that's how you open it. Close. Bro, close it. Thank you. Okay. Now, that ringing noise, I don't like it. It's annoying. Where is it coming from? I'm guessing something. That phone. Okay. I just didn't see it. I really didn't see it. I don't know how. Okay. The map. Okay. What's this? Oh. I thought that was like a hiding spot. Wait, what am I doing? How am I doing? Bro, give me that stuff back. Give me the... whatever that is. Give me that and give me that. I'm guessing the question mark is like my map. But I don't know what that other thing is. I don't know how to change to it. Alright. What's that? Wait. He just turned his hands into a zoomer. I don't know what it's called. Binoculars. He just turned his hand into binoculars. I'm going down. I'm going down. I'm going down. And now jump. Now I'm going down. Now jump. Oh, okay. I don't know why I said jump, but it didn't jump. Okay. I don't know where to go. Where do I go? I wonder where I go. What? Why do I keep on... What does that even do? Like, what does that clock do for my life? How does it help me? I don't think it helps me. So, I will never exist. That made no sense. Ooh. Okay. My controller is vibrating. I don't know why. It's like I'm hearing something get beat up, but I don't know what. What was that I just saw? Where did it go? Wait, where did I see it at? I literally forgot. What? Did I see it over there? I know I saw it somewhere over here. I don't know where, but I saw it. Okay. Jump. Okay, I did that. Jump. Ooh. Okay, I thought I wasn't gonna make that. Okay. Duh, I didn't make that. Okay. What was that? I know I saw it. What is that? Bro. I know y'all saw that. I'm not going over there. I'm running. Nope. I'm staying right here. Nope. Okay, I'm going back up to the house thing to see if there's anything I missed. Okay. Start shift, check the top of the mountain. Refrigerator, can I open that? Okay, there's nothing in there. How do you get up there? I can't. Jump. I missed that. Okay. Ew. What is that? What was those? What are you guys? What are those? Wait, I saw another one again. What are that? That wasn't even English. I said, what are that? I don't even know. Bro, what are you? Bro. So I think the red thing means that they're like beating up one of the things, like this house thing, like you need to get away from that. So where do I go? Like, what I know my objective, but what do I do in order to do it? Like, 'cause I don't know. Oop. Is that the bird thing from the game thing? From the thing? From the thing, Mobobber. Bro, come over here. Bro. What? Okay, come over here, What is that? And a cutscene. Okay, next shift, go to store. Next shift, go to store, go to store. Okay. What can I get at the store? I don't know. That's a lot of money, but I have enough. So I'm gonna just get it. I don't know why I say words wrong. What should I get? Another flashlight. I'm gonna get 3 of them actually. Yep. Give me that stuff. Now, is there anything else? Nah, I'm gonna just go. I see some more of those guys. Get away. Thanks. Okay. Bye-bye. Yawn. Get away. Okay, another one. Is there any more? Like, why are you guys here? Like, stop being here. I actually want to understand how I get up there. Like, how do I do that? I'm confused. Is that a burning building? I mean, place? What are you doing? You kicked it to death that it started burning. Did you start roasting it? You said you look like a dirty waffle. And you burnt it, so then it just started burning. Like, why did you do that? What's that? Can I leave this? I thought I could leave. Ah, dang it. And parkour. What? Wait. Am I in the hospital? The store. That did not just actually happen. Drew, that nose game is on point today. Like, dang. How does he get his nose that long? I want a nose that long so I could just poke people with it. Just if you're being mean to me, I could just shank you with my nose. Just shut up. Whatever that is, I want to grab it. And you can't pull my nose off anyways. And if I did have a long nose, you couldn't pull it off because like that would be just assault. So, Drew's lucky. I'm running. I don't know what I'm running from, but I'm running because I said I'm running. I'm running. I don't know what I'm running from. I'm running. I'm running. I don't know what I'm running from. Running. I'm running, but I'm running, jumping. Now I missed that jump. Now I'm gonna go take a dump. Hey, yo, what are you doing? What are you doing there? This is a new area that I have not been at. Oh, okay. I don't think I could go over there. But because I'm just not gonna look. I don't know. I don't care. I don't know what to do over here. I guess all I have to do is just protect the house thing mobbers that those like hack guy mask thing keeps on beating up. And that fire just went out on its own. I don't know how it did that because I didn't have my fire extinguisher. That was... I walked past one without even seeing it. Hello. Hello. Okay. Hello. Oh my, why are there so much of you guys? There's like one of me and like 500 of you, and I'm still beating you. How? One right there. You guys suck at this game. Running. Running. I don't know what I'm running from. Running. I'm running. I don't know what I'm running from. Running. Jumping. I just missed that jump, so yeah, I messed up the song. Wait, can I take that out? I mean, can I fire extinguish that out? Wait, bro, get over here. Give me you. Extinguish. Are you gonna... Okay, thanks. It extinguished. Thanks. That was nice for it to extinguish. Hey. Okay, wow. Again. Okay. Why does he have a band-aid on? Like, did a bear just slice his finger? Okay. Bye, peoples. I'm ending the video. Because bye. And because... yes. And because no. All at the same time. And that didn't make any sense. All at the same time. But what if it did make sense? I don't know. I'm trying to make you keep on watching the video so that you don't have to leave, because I don't want you to leave, you know? I just don't. So don't. And I'm also gonna keep you longer by my outro, so yeah. Please, please subscribe, because I want you to subscribe. You don't have to. I don't really care, but can you? Because I want you to. Thanks. But no thanks if you didn't subscribe. But if you aren't subscribed and you still watch my videos, thanks. So, bye.